friends at home. We're here doing number corner at school. My friends at school, I want you to look at our pattern and think about what's under this square. We're getting pretty good at this pattern stuff. Oh, look at all my hands. At home, you should be thinking about it too. Tell me one. Either a color, the model, or the number.
I think the number is gonna be 25.
Ooh, so he says the number might be 25. How do you know that, Dominic?
Because after 4 it's 5, and then after 24 it's 20.
Good. He said after 24 comes 25. Lucas. It's going to be, yeah, what are these called again? So lines, what do we call those? We haven't talked about these in a couple days. Tally marks. Good job. So you're thinking tally marks. What color, Daniel?
The square is going to be orange.
It's going to be orange. At home, you should be thinking about if you would say that here at school. You are right, my friends. We hit all of them. All right, say it with me. Today is Friday, September 25th, 2020. What does September mean? Thanks for raising your hand.
It means it's fall.
Oh, it's becoming fall. Yep, it is fall. Why do we say this? What is this called again? Is it a day, a year, a month? What is September?
Year.
Oh, we're not flirting. Yes.
It's the month.
It's the month. September's our month. What's 2020 again?
Year.
It's our year. All right, so I am going to write it on our calendar. So it's the 25th. What am I going to draw? Yes, Adele.
I'm going to draw 25 tallies.
25 tallies. I want to know why they have a circle around some of the tallies and they don't have a circle around the others. So I'm going to show my friends up close at home what I mean. So look at this. There's circles around the tallies and then there's not a circle. Why is that? Turn and talk to a friend. Why do you think that is?
That one, because the ones in the bubble about 20, and that one is...
Oh, just turn. Yeah, we're not wasting time during this.
Because it doesn't make the two.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Why do you think some of them are circled and some tallies aren't? Yes.
I think it's circled because there's 20s.
You think they're groups of 20?
Mm-hmm.
Each circle is 20?
I mean 10.
10. So we know automatically that if there is a circle around it, we know it's a group of 10. Because count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What else do we call a group of 10?
Miss Owen.
Hold on, buddy. Oh, here's my marker. What else do we call a group of 10? Who knows? With a rubber band around it, there's a hint. Addison. A bundle, we do. Wow, this is a lot of tallies. And it's nice because we can count by fives. We know that when there's a line through it, we can count by fives. How many tens in the number 25? You're still flirting. Yes. How many tens? 2. Put 2 fingers up. Let's count by tens. 10, 20. How many extra ones in the number 25? Yes. 5, you're right. 25. And we know that 20 plus 5 equals 20. All right. Good work, my friends. Let's move over to our date. Yesterday was September 24th, 2020. So what is today? Maddie?
No, you don't have to erase the 2.
The 2 in what number?
No, I mean 22.
24, right? What am I changing it to?
You don't have to raise the 2, but we're changing it to 35.
25. You are right, because today is September 25th, 2020. So we're not changing our month, and we're not changing our year. Good work. Raise your hand, buddy. Yes. So if that happens, sometimes you can just say your opinion on it, right? Did you tell her? No, that's okay. All right. And how many days in school, my friends? Yesterday was 17. So what's today? I'll make the mark for you. And I want you to take a look at our X's. How many today, Lucas? 18. How'd you know that? After a 7 comes an 8, or after 17 comes 18. Also, look at a group of 10, a bundle, or a, what's the other fancy word? Starts with a D. Madison? Decade. So it's a bundle, or a group of 10. And look at, there's 5, and 3 more is 8. So I'm going to change that. Thank you for raising your hand, Camden. What's up, buddy?
I was counting by 2s. By that, I went 2, 4, 6, 8.
Ooh, so he was counting by 2s. We learned that. We learned how to count by 2s. Look at, he said 2, 4, 6, 8. Is that a lot faster than counting by 1s like this? 1, 2, 3, right?
Yeah. You should count by 5s.
Or, good thinking, we can count by 5s. We know that this line means 5 above and 5 below, right? Because, show me 5 fingers. 5 and 5 more is how many altogether? 10. So we could count by 5s. We're going to move back to our calendar and we're going to count by 2s and 5s. Are you ready? We're going to whisper count. So at home, you should be doing this with us. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Let's try it by 5s. Are you ready? Let's whisper. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let's do that again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. How many, what would come next if we're still counting by 5s and we're at 25? What is 5 more? 30. Good. All right, my friends, we need to fix our model or our picture here. What do I have to do? What do I have to add? Yesterday we had 17, and we can see that because, check out the yellow. There's a group of 10, and we know that 5 and 2 more is 7. So that's 17. Dom?
Why do you have more extra yellow on this?
Oh, these are just so I can add to it. How many more do I have to add to make 18? Yesterday was 17. We can see that a 5 and a 2 in a group of 10. Do you know? Adele?
You need to add 1 more.
Just 1 more. And that would be 18. How many tallies do I have to add? We know that this is a group of 10 because we just learned that. If you circle it, it means there's 10. We know that 5 and 2 more is 7. How many more tallies do I have to add? Yes.
Oh.
To make 18.
1 more.
Good job.
Miss Owen.
Yeah.
The yellow ones looks like a person waving.
Oh, yeah.
That
I
looks
just put
like
them on
his-
there.
That bottom one looks like his leg, and then the middle one looks like his body, and then the one at the bottom looks like his other one, and then the
Oh,
one
okay.
at the top looks
Yeah.
like waving.
But remember, these are math tools, right? We're not making pictures with them.
Yeah.
So count with me. When you see a circle, it's worth how much? 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many more to get to 20? How many more days in school to be at day 20. Today is 18. Put 18 in your head. How many more days to get to 20? I'm going to give you a couple seconds of think time, and at home you should be thinking about that. Today is day 18. How many more to get to 20?
I already know.
You have a couple friends here that know. At home you should be telling someone near you or keeping it in your head. Dominic.
2 more.
2 more. How'd you figure that out? You're right.
There's 2 more spaces.
Oh, look at what he did. He used this hundreds chart. He said there's 2 more spaces to get to 20. Did someone come up with a different way to get that? Because I did. I want to know your strategy. That's a great strategy, Dominic.
Strategy on the. I remember there's 2 more spaces there. And
You're right.
there's 2.
That's a great
Miss,
strategy.
I
Oh,
used-
Madison, what was your strategy?
I started on 18 and then I just counted on.
Ooh, so think about that. Put 18 in your head. That's what I did. 18, 19, 20. And then you know that you have 2 more to get to 20. Good. I'm going to have you quietly tiptoe back to your desk for a brain break. Nice job today.